All right, gang. Guess what we're doing? Join us for another chassis frame fix. All right, so we got this Toyota in here. Gonna be doing a chassis or a frame fix on this one. This is a really super nice truck.
This is the
probably the nicest one that we've, as far as the truck goes. And then you look under them and the frames are junk. So be careful when you're buying these trucks.
This one ain't the worst frame.
No, this one ain't the worst frame that we've seen. This is the nicest truck, but to have that issue, it's too nice a truck to say, oh, the frame's bad on it, you know? So we don't know where exactly it came from, but I'm sure it's up in the Northeast someplace. So
he's from up in Pennsylvania. But
we're gonna set it up and we'll show you what we're gonna be fixing on this one.
By the time the video's done, he'll probably be on his way home. Maybe getting home. 50-mile bike ride.
Yep.
So
he dropped the truck off and rode his bike back.
All right.
All right.
Ready?
Yep.
I'll go.
All right, so we got this thing up in the air. Assessing what we got to do here. So you can see it's already. So this is all. This is where the rod is. So the rust gets in between here and then it just tears it up. So we're gonna get all that out of there, cut all this piece off, cut all this out, get all this stuff out of here, right? And then
on the outside,
we're gonna put this plate. This is gonna get cut. So we're gonna plate it. This whole side is gonna get plated all the way back to about here. All right, like that.
And then kind of the same thing on the other side.
And the same thing, the other side's the same way. It's gonna get plated the same way. On this one, the outside's actually good.
So we're gonna just do the inside.
Well, we're gonna have to do this inside piece all the way down. And that's good with that. This is nothing here. That we're gonna clean that up and make sure. And the same thing with that. That's no big deal there.
Okay.
And then we'll go.
Let me start cutting and getting all this
out. He's gonna cut all that stuff out and then.
All right, let me clean it off.
All right, and we just picked up all the steel we need.
Future sheet metal.
Yep.
Get all our stuff from them.
Yep.
Jeff bent that up. You can watch him do it while we're there.
That's gonna have to get. So we're gonna cut this off, this hanger, and then we'll re-weld it onto the new piece. And then all this, we're gonna basically, it's gonna be new from here all the way back and wrapped around.
Yeah. All right. So
I gotta cut the hanger off. The back of it looks good. All right.
All right. See if you can, yeah, I was gonna say, see if you can pull the hanger off first. There you go. Right. Go for Thought I kicked the wire off.
It keeps getting knocked off.
Cuts like butter when it's that rotted. Alright.
What a hole.
Cancer removed.
Alright.
Patch it back up.
Now we gotta...
Oh, we gotta clean all that out in there. I'm gonna finish trying to get all this out, trim that.
And we'll coat all that in
Well,
there.
while you're at it, I gotta cut this side off too, same thing.
Okay, whatever.
So,
do that.
I gotta cut the hanger and then...
Yep. And then we'll coat all that in there.
Yep. Okay. You hear when it gets to good metal. Alright, should break that piece off now. Get all this cut out. Now I can start cleaning up the bottom of this one.
Keeping it together. Okay. And then what we're going to do is, this is going all the way to here, but then we got to notch it.
Oh, no.
Well, this is going to go like all the way across the whole thing. So we got to notch.
Yeah, we gotta notch that out.
Notch this. So we'll get the marker so I can mark this.
Hold it, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let me get them. Trying to keep it from bouncing.
Yep. how that fits.
All right. You already got that? What you did or no?
So we folded this up.
You're gonna have
Cut this part out. Well,
put the light like this. There you go.
so
Remade this
we
lip.
made this fit here around, right?
Yep.
So it goes all the way to the front, all the way down the side, right? All like that. That's gonna get all welded all the way around. And then we folded this up, so it becomes like this. See how they folded this up? So we folded this one up, and then we'll weld it on the inside. And then another piece is gonna encapsulate it this way, get cut, and come around. And then on that side, same thing.
Yep. Okay.
A lot of welding.
The whole thing.
Yeah. All right, so that's all welded up, all the way, and now we're gonna make the inside piece. All right. Cut.
All right. And then you gotta cut that little piece out.
Yeah, then I gotta cut this out, and it'll look like that.
Oh, I gotta look like that. Get that cut out. Got this piece in. Welding this all up. Good.
Yeah. Weld the inside of that. And then weld the bottom. All right. Put it there. So this side's all completely done. Got the hanger all welded back on. Josh is gonna,
I'm gonna start painting it.
we're gonna etch prime the whole thing.
Yep.
And then on the inside, we're just gonna coat the rest of the inside.
I got the,
I bought it, so.
okay.
And then this side's almost done. I gotta put the hanger back on. And I gotta do, put the brake lines all back together. All right, so put the last one there. Got that patched up. At the bottom all welded. Inside all welded. All that back on. I put a stud back on there, welded that back on. Got the hangers back on. And that's it. Like it never happened. All right. Another saved one. All right. We good to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You need anything done, let us know.